If you're looking to give your audio tracks that rich, powerful bass sound in CapCut, you've landed in the right place. In this tutorial, you'll learn exactly how to bass boost your audio in CapCut step by step. By the end, you'll be able to give your music or voice tracks a deeper, more impactful feel, perfect for music videos, vlogs, or any content that benefits from a fuller sound. Let's get started right away. I've already got an audio track loaded into the timeline, which I'll use for this demonstration. If you're following along, make sure you've imported your audio file into CapCut and have it visible on the timeline. That's our starting point. First, click on your audio track in the timeline to make sure it's selected. You'll notice that selecting it highlights the track and brings up an options panel. This means any edits or effects you apply will only affect the chosen audio segment. Always double-check that you've got the right track selected, especially if you're working with multiple audio layers. A simple click ensures you're targeting the right audio. Now look over to the right side panel in CapCut. This is where you'll find a range of editing tools, but for bass boosting, we're interested in the Voice Changer tab. Go ahead and click on Voice Changer. Pause here for a moment if you don't see it. Sometimes the panel can be minimized or hidden depending on your screen size. If that's the case, just expand the options or scroll through until you spot the Voice Changer tab. Within Voice Changer, you'll see a list of preset audio effects designed to modify how your audio sounds. What we want here is the Deep Voice filter. Click on Deep Voice, and CapCut will automatically apply a bass-boosted effect to your track. You'll notice the audio instantly gains depth, a bit like the difference between hearing someone on tinny phone speakers versus a solid home sound system. The filter emphasizes the low frequencies, that's the bass, making your audio sound fuller and more resonant. At this point, take a moment to listen to the result. You might want to preview a section of your timeline to hear how much deeper and richer your audio sounds. If it's not quite bassy enough, there's a simple trick. You can actually duplicate the audio. Right-click on your audio track and select Duplicate, or use the shortcut if you know it. Now you'll have two identical tracks stacked. With both tracks set to the Deep Voice filter, the effect becomes even more pronounced, kind of like layering blankets to keep things extra warm. If you ever feel it's too intense, maybe the sound is getting muddy or overpowering, you can always lower the volume of one of the layers to blend them just right. With a little experimentation, you'll quickly find a balance that gives you a bold, bass-heavy sound without losing clarity. And there you have it, your audio is now beautifully bass-boosted in CapCut, ready to wow your listeners. Remember, these same steps work whether you're editing a music track, a voiceover, or any audio that needs more punch. If you run into issues, or if you have a favorite genre where you use bass boost, I'd love to hear about it in the comments. Thanks so much for watching. If you found this tutorial helpful, please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe for more easy, practical editing guides. And if you have any questions or run into trouble, drop a comment below. I'm always happy to help. Good luck boosting your bass, and I'll see you in the next video.